It's September 5th, and Sarah's gone to London. It's Saturday night, and it's basically just Dudley, Sparky, Wink, and I. Just watched a movie, and then had some white wine, and then basically came down to the kitchen to have a little bit of pizza. And the dogs wanted some pizza. And now I'm having a little Fig Newton cookie. And the dogs are looking at me like they want some cookie. Dudley, did you want a cookie? Did you want to say hi to Sarah and Anya in London? Okay, well, Sparky will say hi. Sparky, come here. Say hi. Good girl.